Okay, so now I'm actually live. So the problem was that, at least I think that's what the problem was. The problem was that my internet connected to, my Wi-Fi connected to the extender that's down in the bedroom instead of the router that's right next to me, which is obviously wrong. So I actually almost fixed the problem already. Which means, you know, this live stream is currently not available. What? Why is this so hard? So yeah, there were technical difficulties with my internet. I don't think anyone's out there watching anymore, but I'm actually almost finished fixing the problem. So we'll see if my fix works. Let's see. So I have this. Now I need to do that. Git status. Oh, here. Git status. Git commit -a -m, and we say that we fixed. What did we fix? God damn it! What was I gonna say? Fix flash of unauthenticated content. No, start default state. Start default state from local storage. Okay, got that. Now, am I streaming better now? Okay, that should be a lot better in terms of streaming speed and stuff like that. We'll see if anyone actually joins still. In the meantime, I need to remember what the relative depths. Let's see, GitHub relative depths. I need to fix that so that I can test it locally. So in the example app, buy me a coffee, relative dependencies, like that. And we say use auth, no, React use auth, is that what it's called? Yes. React use auth // dist. Okay, // dist. I'm saving that. I need to yarn build here. So now I'm building the library itself so that I can test it on the example repository and see that it works, or that the flash of unauthenticated content is gone. Yarn start on the Gatsby thing. I think that's gonna run the build process again. Yes, bird. Damn, I'm getting hungry again. Okay, did this finish? Come on, got this. Yes. Okay, so it's running the thing. I don't know if it managed to dependencies 0.js React use auth. Where are you? React use auth relative dependencies, Michael library, scripts, prepare. We need to do a prepare. When the relative path can be found, the library at this path will be rebuilt and reinstalled if the source files have been changed during prepare. The normal Michael library dependency will be defaulted to for those that don't have a local checkout. An example setup or examples. Okay. Pre-start. Let's add that. Oh, I have relative depths. So let's do yarn pre-start and see if it rebuilds my library. No. No such file or directory. Dist package JSON. So it's not dist, it's just that. Yarn pre-start, will that work? Okay, that seems to work. So I can now run yarn start, and that will manage to load up the relative dependency for my library. And then I can, well, I need to wait for this to start up. Okie doke. Great, so that is starting. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of sound foam so that I can make my office less annoying for streaming in, because right now I can just hear too many of my S's and too much of myself, even if it doesn't come through on the stream, or so I've been told. So if I reload this page now, I should get no flash of unstyled content. I still got a flash of unstyled content, of unauthenticated content. Reload. Application, use auth expires at, let's see, new date from that is December 13th, which is later than today. Is that more than the new date for now? Yes. Okay. So now I can go here, get default state, and let's see, console log stored state. Let's see if that actually does things. Oh, and now I need to yarn dev, run the micro bundle watch so that it keeps reloading Gatsby, or will I have to reload Gatsby every time? We can reload Gatsby every time. Waiting for yarn start. Let's see. We're almost there. It's almost working. I just need it to work faster. Also, how is it 10:30 already? Damn. Changed file, blah. Okay. Reloading the page. Let's see if it manages to read stored state from local storage, or is this code just generally not working? Because if it's generally not working, then that is a problem. Building development bundle, come on. Come on, page. Okay, so it does not actually read the stuff. Pam, does it get in here? Debugger. That reloaded. Ugh, now I have to reload the actual Gatsby. That's kind of annoying. So that's one of the downsides of building libraries, is that they're generally more frustrating to debug and stuff. There's just, you know, more things that you have to take care of and more levels of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Hey Dylan, how's Costa Rica? I've never been, but I've heard it's a really good place to at least visit, if not. I don't know, what's it like to live in Costa Rica? Okay. Aha. Type of local storage is what we're not getting. Type of local storage, why are we not, let's see, local storage, type of local storage is not undefined. That's true. So maybe debugger statements don't work, because when this compiles, they get compiled away. So let console log expires at console log doing things. Okay. Run yarn start again, replace my camera batteries so that I start moving again. Okay, I should be back now. There we go, got that. Where am I? Camera live, where are you? Camera live. Why is technology hating me today? Camera live. There we go. Now I'm back. Okay, so it is saying that this is an invalid date. Why is this an invalid date? What are we getting? And what are we saving? Why are we JSON stringifying it? What if we say JSON parse? Parse that. Yeah. Okay. So restart Gatsby and try again. I don't know why I'm getting invalid date. Yes, Kiwi, you're cute. And it's definitely not going in here, which is why it's not starting in the proper authenticated state. Pam, pam, pam. Okay, reinstalling React Use Auth is done. And now we are waiting for... What are we waiting for? Right, we're waiting for this to load up. There we go. It's in progress. It's doing things, building development bundle. That always takes forever. 2 forevers, 3 forevers, 5 forevers. There we go. Aha! Now it worked. So I reload the page. Yes! Okay. Now we can remove all of these guys. Pam, pam, pam. So there's no more console logs. And we fix the bug, get status, get commit. I don't know what to... yeah, get status, let's do git add this, git commit -a -m, fix date, fix local storage date read. Perfect. And now if I load this page, yes, that's amazing. Okay. Git push origin master, and we're gonna make a new version 052 npm version patch, like that. Git push origin master -- tags, so that we update the version on in the releases. Npm publish, and we know we have the latest build as well. I think I need to go into my authenticator app so that I can actually publish on npm like that. So that's getting published. Come on. Perfect. And now I can go test it in the let's run yarn build just to make sure that console logs aren't in the distribution thing, because that would be silly. Yes, there are circular dependencies, that's fine. Git status, god damn it. Okay, git commit -a -m clean build npm version patch. Now I gotta publish again. Npm git push origin master, npm publish, npm publish. Let's see. Okay, come on. 446. God damn it. 597. Oh no. Npm publish. Okay. So doing this kind of stuff on a live stream is vulnerable to timing attacks, somebody could be watching my stream and steal my NPM while by copying the token that I'm typing in. Luckily, I'm not popular enough for that to happen. So I'm gonna go to Spark Joy and I'm gonna say yarn add react use auth so that it gets updated to the latest version. And then I'm gonna go verify that it actually works in my where I'm using use auth in production, just to verify that it all is well with the new release. Okay, that's doing things. Why is it so slow? Come on, computer. Perfect. Now what can I do with status? Let's do vim package JSON. Oh, that's what went wrong. ls minus a. cd frontend yarn add. Here's where I gotta do it. Damn it. Alright. So now it's going to update package JSON and update the dependency for React use auth. Cool. Git commit -m update use auth dependency. Git push origin master. So I'm pushing it to master to force Netlify to deploy. I'm gonna go to Netlify and see whether it's deploying. Log in. Spark Joy, last published. How do I? There we go. It is currently building production. Gonna wait for this to finish up. Come on. Well, I wish this was faster, but it isn't. Wow, I was really planning for this to be a much shorter live coding session because I have a lot of things to do. Okie doke. The stuff is outdated, whatever. Come on, finish deploying already. Please finish deploying. Yes, Netlify's robots are busy. I know. It's building production JavaScript, creating deploy tree, starting post-processing. Site is live. Awesome. So site is live, which means I can go here and reload the page. Voila. What the heck happened here? Okay. I'm gonna, yes, login required, stuff like that. Empty cache and hard reload. The heck is going on? Yes, login required, start sparking joy. I get in. That loads, wonderful. And now when I reload the page, it is still giving me the flash of content because why? Use auth expires at, what does this say? New date of blah is tomorrow. What if we, okay. Oh, shields up? No, shields need to be down. Interesting. I don't know why the CSS broke. What? error. Yeah, I have no idea why it's doing this. Let's try it in Safari. That's weird. Because it was definitely working when I tried it earlier today. I mean, not the login stuff, but the other stuff was working. So, let's see. No. God damn it, what's my password? Great. Now I don't actually know my password. That's funny. What if we go into Chrome? That might be easier. Let's go sparkjoy, sparkjoy.netlify.com. That loads, starts sparking joy. Log in, go through the login flow. Okay, so that worked. Now when I reload the page, that doesn't make any sense. What? Yeah, I have no idea what's going on right now. But I mean, the styled content stuff is working. Okay, so that logged me in. It's still waiting for SparkJoy auth 0 for some reason. Stop that, reload the page. Well, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it at that. It's a little bit better, but I'm using it wrong in some way. So I'm gonna deal with that some other time, because now I have to go do other stuff. So if you're there, thanks for watching. I will see you again, not this weekend, but next week we're gonna do stuff, I promise. See ya.